Yo, what's going on everybody? It's Young Projects here, and today we're going to be working on the Corvette C7. And before we start off this video, I just wanted to tell you guys, if you guys ever need your car fixed or anything done to your car, you guys can visit us at South Florida Exotic Collision in Miami, Florida. So right now, I'm going to just give you guys a little cinematics of the shop real quick. And after that, we're going to jump into the Corvette C7. Alright, see you guys. Cinematics that we did, it wasn't too long because it's a shop and we didn't have that much to record, but right now we're gonna jump into this Corvette C7 right now and see what we can do. So
yo, what it is, guys, so I'm gonna see if we're gonna be able to fix this, probably weld it. If we can't weld it and fix it, then we're probably gonna just replace it and buy a new one. Look, as you can see, it's all cracked up.
So yeah, we're just gonna take this to a place that they weld aluminum and stuff to see if they could fix that up for us, and we're gonna come do this over here. Come on. So we're gonna have to take out both brackets where the engine mounts go on, this, and then we're gonna see if they can weld this too. Because we have all the pieces. It's right here. Look, you see, there's one of the parts right here. And there's the other part, so we're gonna see if they can go weld that, and then we're gonna look to see if we could buy this, and yeah.
So we're gonna catch y'all in a minute.
Everybody, so right now I'm gonna go tear down that back bumper to see if we can fix it, and my dad, he's fixing some parts in the front, like the front chassis and all that stuff, because all aluminum and stuff, and he's gonna get it prepared for the welder guy could come in and he could weld aluminum pieces in the frame. And yeah, I will be with you guys while I'm taking out the bumper. Alright everybody, so before I keep taking things off, I'm gonna have to fix this whole crack right here. And we gotta take out everything out of here. Take out this spoiler right here. And all the cables and stuff. And I feel like this thing right here is gonna be the most difficult, but I don't know if I have to take that off, or I'll probably just leave it there. But okay. Alright everybody, so right now I just finished off taking this bumper apart. Yeah, everything is taken off already. catch you guys when I'm about to do something else. So my dad is doing some work on the car. He's fixing some aluminum pieces and he took off the, what's it called, one of the frame rails to see if they could weld that back on. And we're gonna show you what he's doing right now. Everybody, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and remember to go see the shop If you guys have any problem with your car, you guys have to fix it, do any sort of things to your car, you guys can check out South Florida Exotic Collision. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And the other thing is, follow us on Instagram at Unported FL. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy.